I'm Alan Chapelier, and today I got my new Thermador. I am not a professional chef. I haven't been to culinary school. I am a hard hobbyist. Well, from the looks of it, I think there's a Thermador in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it just to be sure. It's deep cut, very well packaged. It's a sign of quality. I've been cooking for, at this point, most of my life. And when it was time to buy my own home, make my own kitchen, I wanted to get the best possible range I could. Here we go, moment of truth. Let's see this thing. Ooh, buddy. That is pretty. I did a ton of research looking for a range for my house that looks great and cooks great, had all the stuff I wanted, and I ended up at Thermador. Obviously, this is gonna look great in the kitchen. It's shiny, it's big. All of your guests are gonna ask you how it works and if it is a time machine. Let's get the rest of this thing off and see what we got here. So this piece, I want to save this for having an oil painting done of you and your Thermador, and this is the frame. Let's see what this is. This appears to be all of the accessories. The instruction manual, you got the grates for the cooktop, good solid cast iron. Oh, your steam oven contraption. I love a good contraption. Ah, these star burners. That's why they call them that. So I learned to cook on a very basic electric coil burner stove. There's nothing wrong with those, but at a certain point when you get to your twilight years like I am, you should treat yourself. This is the Induction Cooktop. One of the main reasons I wanted to upgrade my range was to get this on there. Unlike normal cooktops, this transfers heat through electromagnetism, which makes it a lot more efficient, a lot safer, and it's one solid piece of glass, so it's super easy to clean. And it looks cool. You don't know what's great about using a Thermador until you use one, whether it's a knife or a pan or a range. Once you get into like a true luxury experience, you realize the benefits of good tools. So these are the famous Thermador star burners. Why is that important? Because the star shape distributes heat more evenly and over a greater surface area than your traditional circle burner, which just cooks in the middle. These things get extra hot when you need them to, and extra low when you need more control. The X-Low setting basically cycles the heat on and off, keeping your food at a precise controlled temperature. So, even if you get distracted because you have the attention span of a gnat like myself, you won't burn your food. And this is the steam oven, another major reason I wanted to upgrade my range. And as the name implies, you fill this up with water and it cooks your food with steam. Steam really helps your food retain moisture, whether it's meat, vegetables, bread. You'd be surprised what you can do with a steam oven. Realistically, I could see myself using this every day to reinvigorate leftovers that would otherwise perish in the microwave. Next up, the warming drawer. Call me weird, but I like my food warm. And this is a drawer designed to do specifically that. It's really important when your food is ready, but your people are not. Keeps your food warm without cooking it any further. Here comes Cole, hold for dog. Hey Cole, check out this cool feature. It's the warming drawer. It keeps your food warm while I wait for you to wake up. Oh, and I almost forgot. This is a smart oven. And you can control it through this app called Home Connect, which allows you to preheat your oven, turn it on and off, change temperatures from anywhere. Or if your hands are busy cooking, Home Connect can be voice activated too. So if you're excited to start talking to your oven like I am, you're gonna love Home Connect. So the range is totally fine and great and everything, but what I am most excited about is this perfect piece of breakdancing cardboard. Well, get a load of that. She's a keeper, don't you think? But wait, there's one more feature to elevate your cooking to the next level. Finally, an oven with LEDs. In the next episode, we're actually gonna get cooking. So be sure to like, subscribe, smash that follow, swipe right, Pinterest, whatever. Make sure you don't miss it. Until then, happy cooking.